Remove the 2 front bolts on the exhaust manifold and then reinstall those bolts with the bracket. Line up the catch can in the bolt hole locations per the instructions and install 2 new bolts. In the case of this GTR, that would be the second bolt from the top. Next, we're going to install the hose from the crankcase vent over to the catch can. With the stage 1 kit, additional oil vapor will be produced because we're going to run the engine at higher RPM, therefore the supercharger is going to run at higher RPM and produce more pressure. That additional vapor is bad for the intercooler. That'll cause pluggage of the intercooler, at least a restriction in rod power. Addition of the catch can is a good idea just because I'm going with the stage 1 kit. On a stock GTR, this is not necessary. As you can see from the video, this is about the easiest upgrade you can do to your jet ski.